Welcome back to Designing AI-driven Personalized Learning Environments course. In this video, we will talk about limitations of the rule-based model. We saw rule-based model is fantastic. It can work for, geometry. It can work for algebraic equations and fractions. It can work fantastically. So it's a good so that we can use rule-based model for all the systems. Let's discuss. Now, before we start, think about what are limitations you consider in rule-based models. I think we saw 3 different examples and you also wrote one example. Pause this video and think about the limitations and write down in the notebook. The basic limitations are, it's not easy to develop the production rules. It's very complex, which means you have to think of a simple fraction addition, you need to spend a time on if-then rule, create multiple sub-goals, and this needs a lot of time to create the production rules and a lot of research to create the buggy rules also. And it is not possible to create a production rules for all the tasks. Only mathematical task is very fantastically structured so that you know first step, second step, third step. Maybe for science concepts, some concepts, but ill-defined topics, it's not even possible. For example, I want to teach how to write an essay writing. There's no single steps, there's no single path. I can do it in multiple ways. Even in mathematics algebraic equation, I don't need to follow exact same steps all the time. I can solve in my own method. I can skip couple of steps. It's not allowed. And creating error database for each mistake needs lot of time and it's very time consuming and we don't have the knowledge base of all the incorrect knowledge of each constant. We might know the 2 or 3 misconceptions we know based on the research, but there might be many misconceptions which is not even discovered. So how do you even create the buggy rules or the misconception database? So that's a big problem. So the rule-based model expect you to solve a problem one particular method. If the student wants to skip couple of steps, it's not possible. And system cannot guarantee the learner did the steps correctly or wrong. They checks whether the learner entered the answer or not, but how he did it is not even carried. It's like, if you skip the step, it's fine. So the system wants the learner to solve exactly the way the expert wanted the student to solve. If I want to skip steps, I want to give a right answer, student will not accept it. So the rule-based model is kind of strict rules, that's why it's called rules, and strict says that you have to follow this, you have to take this particular step next, you have to follow it, you cannot skip it, and whether you do it wrong, if it is in my buggy rule, I give the answer. If it's not in my buggy rule, I can't give any answer. So you have to try again. Okay, that's the kind of a drawbacks. Thank you.